Everybody sitting here is a part of those boards, whether you were a couple years, whether you were 7 years, whether you were 10 years. This doesn't end tonight. This is a lifetime commitment I've made to y'all. I will not be your coach on the field, but I will be your coach in life. You guys are forever. You guys will always have a place in my heart. I will always try to help you guys and lift you guys up as best as I can. It's my goal to see you guys get through life without having to fail if you don't have to. I want to help you guys out. That was the cool thing. We made lifetime memories, and this doesn't end tonight. This is not goodbye. This is so long for today.